Hello, this is the lecture number 9 for the chapter Determinants of class 12th, and we are discussing the exercise 4.5, and we have done up to question number 14 in the last lecture. Now similarly in question number 15 you have to prove the following expression equal to 0. आपको 0 के equal करना है this. In the last question we have only here we have only a square. Now here in the last question we यहाँ पर a square था, now we have a cube. So it means you have to first of all find the a cube. So again the calculation part become big here also here. So a cube, now see it very carefully, a into a, not a cube. So first of all multiply a with a, this into this. You know how to multiply the matrices. You take your own time to find it if you don't know it directly. Then this into this, again आप इसको इससे multiply करेंगे, you are getting this. So this is the a cube. पहले आप a को a से multiply करें, ये matrix आएगा. You take your own time, multiply this by this matrix, you are getting this. So this is the value of a cube. Now first of all you have to prove that this expression equal to 0. ये expression 0 के equal है, ये prove करना है आपको. So put the value of a cube, value of a square we have already done. This is the a square. a square रखिए, a की value रखिए, I you know it 3 by 3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. तो a cube पहले आप इसको 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करिए, 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करिए, this minus this plus this. You take your own time to calculate it. पहले आप ही माना जो आंसर आएगा प्लस, then add it. You are getting 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 which is a null matrix. And this is you have to prove. Now what you have to do in this question also, you have to use this equation. You have to use this equation to find the value of A inverse. You don't have to find the adjoint or determinant of the given matrix by using the formula. You have to use this equation. This is the meaning of word hence here. Now as usual, as we done in the last question and in the last lecture, in this equation you have to use this equation to find A inverse. So what you have to do, you take identity matrix to the right hand side, then multiply again both sides by A inverse. This is the main step in these types of questions. So this is multiply A inverse, A inverse, A inverse, A inverse. For A cube you can write A square into A into A inverse. For A square you can write A into A. For A this is A inverse. So A into A inverse is A square. A into A inverse is, A into A inverse is I. A into A inverse is I, A into A inverse is I, and I cube into A inverse, I cube is I, and multiply with the inverse, it is A inverse. Now we know the value of A square, already done here. यहाँ पर हम काट चुके हैं A square की value. A square, put the value of A here, A into I is A, I we know it, 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, multiply with 5, we'll get 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. And this is minus 11 A inverse. Now multiply by the 6, multiply this matrix by 6, subtract from this, add this, you will get this. This is minus 11 A inverse. And A inverse will be equal to, you take this to the left hand side, minus 1 upon 11. So this is the value of inverse of a matrix by using the equation. And in this we have A cube, so you should have a good hand to find the A cube. A cube means A into A into A. You first find A square, that is A into A, then with the last matrix. So see it very carefully. This is the method to find the A inverse by using the inverse. Now in question number 17, it is given that rather we have you learn this formula. Adjoint A का determinant, the determinant of A adjoint is equal to determinant of A raised to power n minus 1. Now what is n? N will be given in the question, which will be the order of the given matrix. Here it is given that A matrix is of n by n order. N by n order. ORDR, order. N by n order का है. तो use this formula. Now the value in this question, order of the matrix is given as S3. Given यहाँ पर 3 by 3 का matrix है. So value of n is equal to 3. It is given. So determinant of A square, determinant of a square. This is the formula. No, this is the answer of this question. It is given that it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now I've taken an example which can be there in the examination of in your exams. 1 mark question can be there. The question is like this: if there is a determinant of 3 by 3 order whose value is 5, you have to find the determinant of adjoint A. तो अभी हमने फॉर्मूला कराया है, डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ एडजॉइंट ए इज इक्वल टू डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए की पावर n-1. सो डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ 3 by 3 ऑर्डर होगा तो n की वैल्यू 3, तो डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर ए, डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए पता है. द क्वेश्चन कैन बी रिवर्स्ड. रिवर्स की जगह हो सकता है कि डिटरमिनेंट की जगह यहाँ पर एडजॉइंट की वैल्यू दे रखी हो सकती है. मे बी इज इक्वल टू 25. मान लिया 25 है तो यहाँ पर 25 आएगा, तो 25 इज इक्वल टू डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर, तो ए की वैल्यू डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं. लेफ्ट टू राइट और राइट टू लेफ्ट, द क्वेश्चन कैन बी देयर. डिटरमिनेंट दे रखा है, एडजॉइंट डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ एडजॉइंट ए की वैल्यू पता कर सकते हैं. डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए एडजॉइंट की वैल्यू दे रखी तो डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए पता कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ इन this question number 18, you have to prove that the determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A. You have to prove that determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A. Reciprocal हो जाता है. Now हमें पता है कि A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix. Now taking determinant on both sides. डिटर्मिनेंट के प्रोडक्ट में ये ब्रेक हो जाता है बिकॉज वी नो दैट ए इंटू बी का डिटर्मिनेंट इज इक्वल टू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इंटू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ बी. ये हमें पता है, तो इसका डिटर्मिनेंट और इसका डिटर्मिनेंट अलग हो गया. डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स 1 होता है, हमें आपको पता है, दिस इज इक्वल टू 1. तो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इनवर्स इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए. सो दिस इज द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज 4.5 and in this important exercise is this, and you have to find rather you have to some question, you have to prove something left or right, or you have to find the A inverse by using the given equation or like this. So this is the end of this exercise and we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.